Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking the head and body. This saves time later. Draw a circle, then add an oval for the jaw so proportions stay correct. Once done, place a vertical center line and horizontal eye line to locate features accurately. Sketch a light trapezoid for the shoulders and torso so the pose reads clearly. Make sure to indicate the hairline and the braid path now, because those curves determine Elsa's silhouette and expression. Next, refine the face and hair so Elsa looks recognizable. You should draw large, slightly tilted eyes with clear irises and a few lashes to suggest animation style. Then shape a small nose and softly curved lips. These choices create her calm expression. Once facial structure is set, draw the parted hairline and start forming the thick braid over the shoulder, adding loose strands for motion. Make sure the cape and collar lines sit behind the braid to preserve depth. Finish by inking and shading to bring Elsa to life. Carefully ink the important outlines, varying line weight to emphasize depth, then erase pencil guides. Apply soft shading to the cheeks, under the chin, and between braid strands. Use highlights on hair and eyes for sparkle. Once shaded, add costume details like embroidery and subtle snowflake accents. If proportions look off, reduce details and revisit the head-to-body ratio. Adjust the jaw or shoulder width until the silhouette.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.